Should companies keep servers in their building or rent them from the cloud? That's the on-prem versus cloud debate. Early == everything on-prem. 2006, AWS launched, cloud gained traction. Hybrid models emerged, mix of on-prem and cloud. Cost, compliance, and control keep some on-prem. Scalability and flexibility push others to cloud. On-prem is like owning a house, cloud is like renting an apartment. Edge computing blurs the line further. On-prem versus cloud isn't either or, it's about what balance works best for you.